Did you know that there is a website that is going to pay you money every time someone watches one of your YouTube shorts? And no, it is not YouTube. This website that I'm going to mention will pay you for taking other people's viral YouTube shorts and upload it on their website. You can earn anywhere between $3 to even $20 every time someone clicks on your video, and everyone can make money from it. So whether you enjoy quick tutorials, comedy skits, or other viral trends like makeup and challenges, this opportunity will let you take those viral videos and make money from it for free. So keep watching till the end to learn how to start earning from YouTube shorts that you don't even own. I will guide you through the entire process and help you enhance your skills and teach you how to make money online worldwide and limitless. If you want to stay updated on new money making methods, subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell. Also, don't forget to like this video and share it with your family and friends. To start monetizing YouTube shorts, first of all, go to your YouTube account. Head over to the shorts section by typing shorts into the search bar or clicking on the shorts tab on the left corner of your homepage. The short shelf is a treasure trove of short form videos featuring over 900 million YouTube shorts. In this video, I will cover how you can monetize those viral shorts and make anywhere from $3 to $20 per short. Imagine the earning potential if you consistently post 50 to 100 shorts daily that are already viral. First of all, you need to focus on videos with high view counts, ideally those with millions of views. For example, a video with over 100 million views is an excellent choice, while videos with fewer than 10,000 views are less promising. Aim for shorts with at least 1 million views to maximize your chance of making money. Consider 3 profitable niches. Number 1, ASMR videos. Number 2, unboxing videos. And lastly, before and after videos. You can easily find popular ASMR shorts by searching for hashtag ASMR. Similarly, for unboxing videos or before and after videos, you specifically need to choose the most viral videos on one of those niches. So for this video, let's focus on ASMR videos for illustration. The process is simple and requires no experience, just an internet connection and your smartphone or a computer. First, find a suitable ASMR video and visit the creator's channel. You will likely notice that the creator has a substantial subscriber base, indicating a larger audience. Maybe one of their recent videos have garnered over 20 million views. Your objective is to watch these videos to choose the best videos for yourself. So once you find your video or the YouTube channel that you want to focus on, click on the video and select share, then copy that link. Once you copy the link, let's move to the next phase. That is, how can we turn this link into money? So there is this website that will create a new link for you from the link that you copied. And whenever you share this link and you watch it, or you watch it from your mother's video, your friend's video, you will make money. Each click on your link that leads to a video view generates income for you. Follow along as I reveal a specific strategy for this niche to optimize your earnings and guide you on how you can share your links strategically, attracting thousands of clicks without any financial investment. Before I reveal the name of this website, here is an idea of the earning potential that you have. The average payout per click from this website is between $3 to $20. You will get the $3 whenever someone from Africa or parts of Asia click on your video. You will get $20 whenever someone from Greenland or at least 1,000 clicks from Greenland views your video. $15 for 1,000 clicks from the United States, $12 from 1,000 clicks from United Kingdom, and the rest is $3 for 1,000 views from anywhere else. Now let's consider this. Let's say you took a video that had over 200 million views. If you were to earn just $10 for every 1,000 views, your potential income will reach tens to thousands of dollars. So don't miss out on this golden opportunity while it is still available, and everyone can make money with this website. The website that I'm referring to is shrinkearn.com. To get started, create your account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your details, your username, email and password, and tick all the required boxes. After registering, you need to confirm your email, and then you'll be presented with your dashboard where you can paste the YouTube short link that you copied. The website will convert that link into a money-making link. Click on the new shortened link and input your link into the designated field and click shorten. Every time someone clicks on this link and watches that YouTube short, you earn money. That is the basic principle of how this works. And the best part is that you are not making these videos, you are just taking an already viral video and making money from it. Now let's explore specific websites I personally use to entice viewers to click on my links and watch those videos. After copying your money link, the next step is to visit a website called ASMR Tingles. This platform is one of the leading forums dedicated to ASMR content, offering a space for enthusiasts to connect and share the experience with ASMR videos. If your niche is different, don't worry. I will show you another strategy for other niches shortly. For those focusing on ASMR niche, ASMR Tingles is invaluable. It has a thriving community eager to discover new ASMR videos. Your goal is to share your viral video with millions of views with this engaged audience. A quick look at the forum reveals that posts receive views daily. To maximize this platform, follow the lead of other forum users and create engaging posts. You could write something like, "Hey everyone, I just found this viral ASMR video on YouTube. Check it out and let me know your thoughts." The more posts that you create, the higher your chances of getting clicks and ultimately earning more increases. Now, if your YouTube short is not focused on ASMR, Facebook is a versatile platform for any niche. For instance, if your niche is unboxing videos, simply search for unboxing in the Facebook search bar. Filter by group and you'll find numerous groups dedicated to unboxing content, some with millions of members. This strategy is not limited by geography and can be applied worldwide. However, you need to diversify. Don't restrict yourself to just one or two videos. The more videos you share across different platforms and communities, the greater your earning potential will be. Consistently share videos and maximize your results. And don't forget, you are not making these videos, you are not spending any money on these videos. These are already viral videos that you are just going to make money from it. Before you click off, don't forget to watch this video on how you can make money watching ads in Africa and worldwide. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications bell. Also like this video and share it with your family and friends. Until then, goodbye.